Hi, so I am looking in your book at lesson 5.3. I wanted to talk to you a little bit about division. So I'm looking at this information here. There obviously is a kid talking, and I have a graphic of a garden. And it looks like one side, it's a rectangular garden, and side is 20 feet. The other side just says W. And then in the middle, it says 360 square feet. So if I look up to the left, I can go and read the problem. It says, Emily has a rectangular garden with an area of 300 square feet. The length of her garden measures 20 feet. How many feet wide is her garden? Now, doesn't necessarily say do this division problem. If I look at the word bubbles, though, it says you have W stand for the unknown side, and it says think 20 times W is 360, or 360 divided by 20 is W. So, I mean, right there, it pretty much is my division problem. 360 divided by 20. Let's step back from this for a second and just talk about that. 360 divided by 20 is W. Write that out here. 360 divided by 20 equals W. W is not a number. We're just using that letter to represent whatever our answer is going to be, our unknown value. Or I guess if we look back at the problem, how many feet wide is her garden? So however wide it is, that's why we're using W, it's for wide. All right, obviously I got a division sign here. And we have special names for the numbers in division problem, if you remember. We have the divisor, that's the number doing the dividing. So if I read it 360 divided by 20, that means that 20 is doing the dividing. I like to say that a reader reads, a teacher teaches, and a divisor divides. We also have a dividend. Let's see what color should be that. The dividend is what is being divided. And then our W is our quotient, or the answer of a division problem. So our dividend is divided by a divisor, and we get a quotient. What else do you know about division? And the other one, it was 20 times W equals 360. It had also said that. So division is the opposite of multiplication. We'll talk more about that. What else is division? I might want to divide it into equal pieces or equal groups. So you might be like, how many groups of 20 can I make? Or you might hear them say, how many times does 20 go into 360? So division is also repeated subtraction. How many times can I take 20 out of 360? You know, I can do 360 minus 20 is 340. 340 minus 20 is 320, and I can keep going. How many times can I do that? All right, so we're going to talk about each of these actually, and I'm going to give you some examples of ways we can model it and talk about it. I'm going to be doing the same problem over and over again.